Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence actually thinks? I mean, how does it learn from data, make decisions, or even make mistakes? Usually, we only see the result from the outside. A chatbot like GPT responds, a self-driving car brakes, or a website recommends a movie. But behind all of this, there's a set of rules and logic called algorithms. Part 1. From simple algorithms to thinking like a machine. If you want to program a washing machine so it knows when to start on its own, you're actually writing an algorithm for it. An algorithm, in its simplest form, means a set of instructions to achieve a goal. For example, making an omelet also follows an algorithm. Crack the eggs, stir, heat, done. Programmers simply translate this logic into code. But what's the difference between artificial intelligence and these simple algorithms? Here, we don't tell the machine how to work. We teach it how to learn. For example, in machine learning, instead of writing direct instructions, you feed the system data so it can find the patterns by itself. It's like a child who sees 1,000 pictures of dogs and eventually understands what a dog is, without anyone ever defining exactly what dog means. Part 2. From learning to decision-making, the hidden brain of AI. This is where real artificial intelligence algorithms come into play. Algorithms like neural networks, reinforcement learning, and genetic algorithms. Each of these simulates a different kind of learning. Neural networks work like the human brain. They pass information through nodes, neurons, to uncover complex patterns. Reinforcement learning is like practicing a game. AI tries, fails, earns rewards, and gradually learns to make better decisions. Genetic algorithms are inspired by nature. Just as living beings evolve through natural selection, these algorithms evolve toward the best solution. And the interesting part is that all these algorithms started from simple logic. Those basic algorithms you learn in programming, like sorting, decision-making with if, or looping, are the foundation of these complex models. In fact, artificial intelligence is just a much larger and smarter program that can create its own patterns. Artificial intelligence isn't magic. It's simply the logical continuation of the same algorithms we use to automate simple tasks. The difference is that AI learns on its own. So, if you're learning basic coding today, know that you're building the very tools that might one day power an AI model. And now, the final question for you. How far do you think humans can keep teaching machines before they become the weaker learners themselves?